Welcome to Football by the Fireplace. My name is Lucky, and here we have St. Chris, once again, the crazy Jamaican who knows nothing about football.
Yes, but the football gods will give them to me this week. Pick after pick after pick after pick. Run it, Lucky. What we got going on?
Speaking of that though, Chris, how was your record last week?
Record last week was 5 wins, 8 losses, but I was robbed on a few of those. And I'll tell you about those as we go along. I was robbed. Those referees need a camera and for lens in their glasses. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but they're killing me, these referees. But we'll get to that later. Let's run with these picks, Lucky.
Alright, St. Chris. Starting out tonight, first game, San Francisco played at London, of all places. Favored by 2 against Denver.
To all my folks in London, big up, because they're bringing some weird game called football over there where people don't kick the ball or use them foot to do anything with the ball for 90% of the game. So I don't understand, and I know you don't understand it either. But anyway, they're going to be sucking it to each other, and they want to call your game soccer and this football. I don't know what the hell is going on with that. No, San Francisco is a horrible team, and my prediction is after this game, after they lose this game in London, all the way to London and lose this game, their coach, Mike Singletary, will be fired. First coach fired this year. Football gods gave me that pick. So I'm picking Denver plus the 2 points. Thank you very much. Fire the damn coach. The team is better than that, man.
Alright, good luck in London. Second game at Dallas, favored by 6.5 points against Jacksonville.
How the hell could Dallas be favored over anybody? I don't know. Where's their quarterback? I think he's on a stretcher somewhere. The Giants kicked his rear end last week. Thank you very much. And I had money on that one. At least a 6-pack of beer. Heineken, anyone? Heineken? So anyway, Dallas is favored 6.5 points. Lucky. And yeah, Jacksonville is really terrible. And even though Dallas have no quarterback, no defense, I think I'm going to actually pick them this week. Where's the hat? I got rid of it. Anyway, I'm picking Dallas at the 6.5 points reluctantly. I think the football gods had me stuck up with that one.
You drink Heineken, St. Chris?
Yeah, on occasion.
No Jamaican beer for you, huh?
I can have a red stripe too. But you know, like the green bottle.
Alright. Next game at Detroit, favored by 2.5 points against Washington.
Somebody made Detroit a favorite? Are they crazy? I think this is just because they're at home. Like somebody need to drive some car in that city. I mean, it used to be an out of town. No, they're gonna lose. Washington. Wow.
Uh-oh.
The good, the bad, and the ugly has entered the football play. All right.
It's a sign.
Yeah, that Obama is coming in town to go kick some ass. Obama is headed to Detroit. All right, go Washington.
All right. Next game at New York Jets, favored by 6 points against Green Bay.
Against Green Bay, and this is my pick of the week for one reason. Last week, my pick of the week was Minnesota, and Minnesota should have won that game. You know why? Because they scored a touchdown that the referees called no touchdown. I didn't know that the angle of a ball was part of how you're supposed to referee a game. Oh, he didn't catch it at the right angle. Oh, so we won't give him a touchdown. No, that's garbage. That was a touchdown. And then they gave the other team a touchdown when he's juggling the ball. They gave the Packers a touchdown when the guy's obviously juggling the ball. That's a 14-point swing and made my winning pick a loser. No, I'm not going for that. So the head of referees, based on how badly these damn referees have been performing, is having a meeting with all referees and telling them they have to do a better job. They have replay. There's no reason for them to get these calls wrong. All right? So, just for that, I'm doubling up on my Jets. All right, let's go get the Packers. At the same time, they broke my friend's leg. Hey, Brett, you're one of us, one of the older guys in the joint, all right? We can't afford to have sucky ass teams like the Packers hurting great players like you. You're in the Hall of Fame. Now go play with one leg and show them that you're the man, because your streak will not end this week. We'll go with one leg. Run it, Lucky.
Okay. At St. Louis, favored by 3 points against Carolina.
St. Louis, okay, the Suck Bowl. Okay, let's just pick the underdog and go with it. We'll pick Carolina, run to the next one.
All right. At Cincinnati, favored by 2 points against Miami.
Cincinnati favored by 2 points against Miami. Miami won a game. Oh my God, how did they win that game? I mean, the deciding factor was a matter of 6 to 12 inches with a hand going in. Big Ben going in for the score. Ball got knocked out. Just like that. They win a game at home. But they're a better team away from home, so I'm going to take Miami. Miami, yes.
All right. Next game at Kansas City, favored by 7.5 points against Buffalo.
Yeah, Buffalo is really bad. But you know what? Their quarterback is from Harvard. Really smart guy, and he's throwing the ball all over town all of a sudden. I don't know. I might have to go with Buffalo and this boy genius they have as quarterback. What the hell is his name? Ryan Fitzpatrick?
Fitzpatrick.
What is this? Irish night? It's supposed to be Halloween! Anyway, he's a Harvard guy and I'm going with him. He's slinging the ball around. I'm going to go with him.
All right, Harvard guy. Next game at San Diego, favored by 3.5 points against Tennessee.
San Diego, 2 wins, 5 loss. No. Tennessee all the way. Move to the next game. They're horrible.
All right. At Arizona, favored by 3 against Tampa Bay.
Arizona favored by 3. Tampa Bay. You know what? Tampa Bay pulled out a squeaky win last week by 1 point. But I don't think they're going to travel well. Young teams tend not to travel well. So I'm going to take the home team. So I'll take Kansas City. Where am I? Arizona. I'll take Arizona. Arizona in that game.
You got lost on the map, huh?
Yeah. Wait. That's crazy. What the hell? I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Next game at Oakland, favored by 2.5 points against Seattle.
I said I'd never bet on Oakland the whole year. And I was telling them, hey, they should draft me, let me own the team. And they went out and scored 52 points. What the hell is going on? It's like a college basketball game. Alright, so they're favored by what now?
2.5.
Against who now?
Seattle.
I'm picking Seattle. I'm still not picking them. They can't do it 2 weeks in a row. What are you, nuts? 52 points, 31 points in the first quarter for Oakland? Never happen again.
All right. Next game at New England, favored by 6.5 points against Minnesota.
All right, this is where my heart go against the football gods. Because football gods are telling me one thing, and I'm saying I'm going with Minnesota and Brett Favre to keep his streak alive. You should have won that game last week, man. You threw that touchdown, and they called it back. I'm with you, man. One leg and all. Minnesota,
All right.
Brett Favre.
Minnesota,
Doing
one
their
leg.
thing.
Okay. Last game at New Orleans, favored by 1 point against Pittsburgh.
New Orleans has been playing really bad football for a team that's supposed to be the champion. They lost to the Browns. Who the hell lose to the Browns? So Pittsburgh, I think Pittsburgh is going to the Super Bowl. So if I think Pittsburgh is going to the Super Bowl, I guess I gotta pick Pittsburgh. They're the underdog, getting 1 point. So I'm going with Pittsburgh.
All right. Monday Night Football at Indianapolis, favored by 5.5 against Houston.
Now Houston completely ran over Indianapolis last time, but it won't happen 2 times. Not in the NFL. When they go to the videotapes, they're gonna find out what you're doing right, what you're not doing right, and they're gonna punish you with the stuff you're not doing right. And I don't think they can beat Indianapolis twice. So I'm going with Indy. And
Indy.
that's the way I see it, Lucky.
All right, all the way.
That's the way I see it. So, the Jets, my pick of the week. Yeah. Mike Singletary, bye-bye, son. It was good to know you. You'll be in the Hall of Fame, yeah, and all of that. And you'll probably be on some talk show. But no more coaching. It was fun while it lasted. Maybe college football for you. Alright, the pros, way too big. Lucky, close up the show.
All right. Thank you, St. Chris. Y'all have a good night.
By the fireplace. Wicked man.